Good evening, YouTube. Dave here, coming up with another daily segment of the farm life. We're getting successful watermelons, I'll tell you that. And I just ate dinner, so that's why I feel so full. So that's why I want to walk it off. I know there's wind, and I'm trying to get as close as I can to the mic. You can be able to hear my voice better. I hate it when the wind hits the camera. It sounds so ugly online. Pretty far away. Anyway. Keep walking. Just look at the canal here. It's quite dirty. I'm going to twist it around. Would change it a little bit better. Maybe not. So right now I'm on vlog mode, pretty much. I hate this wind. We're doing pretty good on the watermelon today. We were able to load up at least on the other side of the wind. We were able to load up at least about 59 trailers already. 59 tractor trailers headed north. North to northeast. All the supermarkets in the eastern coast of the United States will be getting some of our Central Texas most sweetest watermelons you've ever tasted. It'll have the emblem on the watermelon. The name of our rancher is they call it Ale Ranch. It's called Ale Ranch or Ale Farms. Ale Farms. Out of Lago Vista, Texas. Watermelon's most original watermelon, the most sweetest there is for the Central Texas area. Anyway, I'm gonna put the stand here for a little bit and rest up for the little walk that I did right there. I'm not tired. I'm just just want to say hi to everyone in YouTube world. I bring it to the warehouse, but so much traffic in there. I like the open spaces where I can pretty much watch the plants grow. Like this particular plant right here. That's the bossy twig plant. That's a cotton plant that's gonna grow about 3 feet high. That's mainly used or cotton for medical uses. But across we had the onions, of course. I had already showed you that earlier on an earlier video. And I guess I'm gonna relax for a little while here. Not much to say about now. There hasn't been anything, no new updates as far as the coronavirus. There hasn't been anything in this particular area of Texas, and I'm in Central Texas. The usual people are at home, isolated, and the majority of them are getting better. I haven't had any reports of anybody dying recently. So eventually we're combating the coronavirus in our particular area. It's going away. I haven't really seen any type of difference on other counties yet. I'm only up to date on my own county. But anyways, y'all have a good day. Special shout out for my friends in the Philippines, for Adeline and her kids. I know they're doing well. I get to talk to them. I get to chat with them. Y'all stay strong. Hopefully I'll get some good news from the U.S. consulate and reopen up the airlines, and maybe I might be able to go on vacation and go see you all in person. Do a little bit of scuba diving. Enjoy myself. Get away from all this stress here in Texas. Anyways, you all have a good day. You all be safe, and God bless.